Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Arc Raiders connection to game server lost AREX0003. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and find your date and timer here at the bottom right. Click on Adjust Date and Time. Wait for it to load, select the correct region, of course, right here. And then once that's done, go ahead and go back, adjust the time zone to the correct time zone. If this option is available for you, well, just enable it and set time automatically enable it. And once the two are enabled, go ahead and click on sync now right here. Okay, it will sync your date and time. And then once that's done, what you're going to do is just go ahead and find your search bar and type down CMD. Now click on Run as Administrator. Now in here, just go ahead and type down ipconfig /flush DNS. Hit enter. ipconfig /release. Hit enter. ipconfig /renew. Hit on enter. Type down net sh /winsock reset. Hit enter. net sh int ip reset. Hit on enter. And once that's done, type in exit, restart your computer. And after that, check if it helps. Now, if that still won't work, don't worry. Go ahead and go to your search bar once more and type down Control Panel. Open it up. Make sure that you're under Large Icons. Now click on Network and Sharing Center. In the left panel, we have Change Adapter Settings. Click on it. Now double click on the network that you're currently using. Click on Properties. Find Internet Protocol version 4. Click on Properties. Now copy my settings. Obtain an IP address automatically. Then use the following DNS server addresses: 8888, 8844. Hit on OK and test if it helps. Now, if it works, okay, but it feels laggy, all right, you're going to want to change it to a Cloudflare's DNS 1.1.1, and then alternate would be 1.0.0.1. Okay, hit on OK, and everything should work perfectly fine now. That is it. That is how you fix Arc Raiders connection to game server lost AREX0003. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.